So I heard about this game. It kind of looked interesting, kind of like, well, Don't Starve and Arstenia, I guess. And I really want to try it. This is not really the video series I was planning on making in my upcoming, but it will have to do because I really want to play it, and I thought I could make a YouTube movie on it too, because it looks really great. So let's buy the game. And it's cheap, but I really want to give some more, so this is fine. I'm gonna pay with my credit cards, and you're not gonna see this. Just one moment. Once you have downloaded the game, you just unzip it, unroll it, unbox it, and then you enter the folder and you start the game. And of course, it's on the other screen. There we go. Let's make it full screen. And more other settings in there. Options. Controls, full screen. Well, sure. Oh dear lord, it's on the other screen again. No full screen. And cheated into full screen. There we go. I don't want that. And great. So let's see, we'll start a new game. And we first need to change the name. Oh, just select the name. Give it a name. We will give birth to a kitty in the house. There we go. Let's see the hats. Well, plenty of colors, but I really like pink, so I'm gonna go with that. Oh, look at that, a cow kitty. I want that. Let's enter the tutorial. Now I'm a slow reader. This might be a little slow, but sure, it's gonna be fun and great. Oh dear. I can see my cursor. I hope. And we landed on the planet. Great Scott, we're on the planet. Yay! WASD, standard moving keys. We like that. Next. Yes, we should keep an eye on stuff. So that stuff and that stuff. I guess that's the one we should keep the most an eye on, so we don't die on this. Well, let's see. Oh, we need to eat. Oh, that's the one. Eating stuff and, well, health. Healthy, that's good. But I'm not sick, I'm just healthy. We need to watch on the home guard or we might die. Yay! See? Plants? Everything. That's great. Just those? Okay. Well, I guess there's sparks. But there are 3. We'll eat them. Or pick them up. Oh! We got a seed! We need to give away bunch. That has to be this one, right? Click on it. We can make food. Cost 3 and we have 5. Do we need more than 1? Oh, we got 2. That's great. Let's eat it. And now I'm full. Oh, that's great. What do you want to eat? Oh, suit oxygen. Well, that's good to know, so we don't die. There we go. So that's the. So if that gets 0, we die too, or is that just impossible? What is this? No, I'm not gonna try it. Okay. So we're gonna pick up airbase like that. Yay! I got it. Should I make places? Not everywhere. Wait a moment. There we go. Oh, I can't place it anywhere. It just needs to be in range of me in other days. Well, let's build there. No, need to build. Those are. There we go. No, build. We need to right click because that's the right decision. There we go. And left click will destroy it. And that's why we don't drive on the left side, the right side. Wait, what? We drive on the right side. Well, that's good. Oh dear. That was a short one. Well, I guess that's it then. We got through the tutorial. Now we need to go to the real world and play the game. So this is the first one in a long series. If you want to see it, see it. If you want to comment, comment. If you want to do stuff, do stuff. Just don't be lazy. So, bye.